Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve HackerRank Python challenge which is called loops under Python. So the task is very simple. First we need to take n as an input from user, and then we need to generate all the non-negative integers which are less than n, and then we need to just square each number or each integer. For example, when we are taking n is equal to 3, the non-negative integers are less than 3 are 0, 1 and 2, and then we are just squaring each number on the separate line. 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. And the constraint given for n is n should greater than equal to 1 and n should less than equal to 20. Here is the solution to that problem. So first we are taking input from user, which is n, and we are converting the data type into integer. Then we are checking the constraint, n should greater than equal to 1 and n should less than equal to 20. Then we are generating the numbers which are less than n using this range which is called generator. So if you confuse how this particular line is executing and giving you the result, so I just broken down that line. So you can see when we are printing this range 0 to n, we are simply getting 0, 5. Then when we are adding this star, all the numbers which are under this range, which is from 0 to 5, are printing. Here 5 is exclusive, it means 5 minus 1. Then we are just simply storing this result in list. So that is the explanation on this. Then we are just iterating over that list, and then we are checking whether that n is greater than or equal to 0, because that is a constraint which is a non-negative integer. So we are checking whether this is a non-negative integer, and then if this condition also satisfied, then we are just squaring that number. So n multiplied by n, which is a n square. So when we submit this code, all the test cases of yours will be satisfied. Thank you everyone.